Looking good. Make sure you get both sides. And after you're done with that, you can take care of these exposed wires. It's gonna be a lot of work.
What does any of this have to do with karate, Sensei?
Do not question my methods. Just be thankful you're not a sumo wrestler. Those guys have to wipe their sensei's asses.
So, I see you're a karate champion, Sensei.
You don't have to call me sensei every time.
I'm sorry, Sensei. I'm sorry.
Yeah, I won a couple All Valley tournaments. Didn't lose a single point my junior year.
All right. What happened your senior year?
This isn't 20 questions. Get back to scrubbing.
Yeah. Oh, shit.
How's that garbage coming from?
That's me.
You hear that?
So, yeah. Hey. Yeah, debate's running a little late. Okay. Love you too.
You tell me you have a girlfriend.
That was my mom, actually. I told her I joined the debate team because she doesn't approve of violence, so.
Yeah, what about your dad? Is he okay with you getting your ass kicked up and down Reseda Boulevard?
I never really knew my dad, so.
All right, well, stop standing there. Get back to training.
Okay, yeah, sorry, okay.
Change that ringtone. Get some Guns N' Roses or something.
What's Guns N' Roses?
I'm gonna pretend you didn't say that.